Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, when people messed with the wrong cops, you'll see real dashcam moments where reckless choices lead to instant consequences. These encounters show how quickly things can spiral when the law is challenged.
Why are you driving so fast, girlie? What? Why are you driving so fast? Where's your license?
Running a red light is already wrong, but Shunasti's reaction is what truly escalated the situation. She refused to take responsibility and loudly argued with the police. In the end, she was arrested and faced charges for resisting law enforcement, a costly lesson driven by an oversized ego.
Okay, then you shouldn't be driving. Ow, man, make it out. I'm trying to get out. Get out. You lie, bro. I'm getting this ball. She told me to get out. What the fuck? You know how to drive? What the fuck? Come on, mom. Man, stop. You touching me, girl, fuck you.
Oklahoma police responded to reports of a dangerous knife attack. Despite repeated commands to drop the weapon and the use of a taser, Benson aggressively charged toward officers. With no other option, police were forced to open fire, ending the serious threat.
Hey, Dion, we just need to talk. Just relax. Dion, we just need to talk. Drop the machete, man. Drop the machete.
After a pursuit, Charles lost control of his vehicle and crashed into a roadside ditch. Even then, he continued to flee on foot, forcing officers to use a taser to subdue him, trying to escape at all costs, but no one outruns the law. A man blocked the road with his vehicle and waved a knife while threatening pedestrians, prompting an immediate response from San Diego police. When ordered to drop the weapon, he ignored commands and charged at officers. He was quickly stopped by police gunfire. Confronting the law is never a wise choice. Police responded to an emergency call involving a man assaulting a family member. When officers approached, the suspect resisted and attacked them with a paint roller. The situation escalated, forcing police to use force, a clear example that challenging the law never leads to a good outcome.
Head down. You better stop right now. Stop right now. Stop right now. Drop that shit. Come in for second assist. Represent. I'll get off. We're here to help you, alright?
Police responded to reports of a man threatening others with a weapon. When officers approached, Lewis appeared unstable, speaking incoherently while holding a sword. The situation turned critical when he suddenly raised the sword and charged at officers, forcing police to open fire to stop the dangerous act. This is the end for those who disregard the law.
You're
A call for help turned into a serious attack. This woman called the police, but then suddenly assaulted the responding officers. The situation escalated, forcing police to open fire. Playing games with the law never ends well.
Sheriff's office, come to the door. We can make sure you're okay. Welcome back, Sheriff's office. Make yourself known. Give me a real quick one. There you go. That was a female screaming, yes? Alright, we're taking the room. We can get a female screaming for help. Take the ram. Calm down.
Causing chaos in front of police only makes things worse. Even with officers present, Tracy Watson continued to attack a man on the street. He ignored repeated commands to stop, and that decision would cost him dearly.
Hey, you got a tourniquet? I don't. Anyone got a tourniquet on? Come on, mama, man. That'd be the door where we saw the section.
It's hard to believe she thought she could escape by climbing out of a window. No matter how hard you try to run, you can't outrun the law.
Stop right now. You're about to get hit by something a lot bigger than those. Get up in there, Peter.
Fullerton police responded to an emergency call about a man threatening others with a knife. The situation escalated when he ignored commands to drop the weapon and advance toward officers. Choosing to confront the law leads to only one outcome.
Put the knife down. We don't want to hurt you. Stop. What? It's okay. We're not going to hurt you, okay? Drop the knife, buddy. We don't want to hurt you, okay? Put the knife down. Put the knife down. We don't want to hurt you. Stop. Drop the knife. Drop the knife.
A man walked boldly down the street carrying a weapon. When ordered to drop it, Riggs not only ignored commands but also swung the knife and charged at officers. Defying orders and threatening law enforcement has never been a path to a good ending.
Stay down. I went into the bell on. We're right by the railroad track. Stay down. Roll over on your back. All right. Hey, stop. Put your hands behind your back. All right. Go cuffs if you want. Yes. 38. I got it. Don't be very fortunate. You lose the cuffs now. See the rest of it.
Phoenix police responded to a call from a grocery store reporting a drunken man armed with a knife and threatening people. When officers arrived, he continued to resist while holding the weapon, escalating the situation. Choosing to confront the law only makes the ending worse.
Put it on the ground. Get your face on. He's threatening people. I need another unit now. No, put the knife down. 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 Put the knife Get on! Stay on the ground! Stay on the ground!
Messing with the wrong cops never ends well, and these moments prove it. Which case shocked you the most? Do you think any outcome could have been avoided? Let us know your thoughts below before you go.